Google just shipped the most powerful AI video tool ever built. It's called Google Flow. It runs on Gemini Omni, a multimodal model that doesn't just take text prompts. You feed it images, video clips, sketches, and references, and it builds something cinematic back. This is not a text to video generator. This is a full AI creative studio. And in the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Head to labs.google/flow, sign in with your Google account, and you're inside. Quick tour, the left sidebar holds your media, characters, scenes, and tools tabs. Image generation is completely free. Video generation costs credits, and 1000 credits is enough for a full 60-second film. Before touching the canvas, here is a trick almost nobody knows. On the home page, there's a tab called Flow TV. It's a library of AI videos other creators made, and every single video comes with the full prompt underneath it. So if you want luxury aesthetics, search luxury, find a clip you love, and copy the exact prompt that made it. Best free prompt library on the internet right now. Here is the single most important rule in Flow. You do not generate shots first. You lock your character first. Then you lock your location. Then and only then do you generate the shots that use both. Skip this order, and your panther in shot 1 will look like a completely different animal by shot 4. The whole film falls apart. Let's build a real art. Open a new project and hit the agent button. The agent is your AI creative director. Describe the vision in plain English and it handles everything. Give it a brief. A 6-shot sneaker commercial. Moody city locations. Rain-soaked streets, rooftop with a skyline, neon-lit alleys, product shot on a clean surface, the aesthetic dark, cinematic, high-end. Within seconds, a complete 6-shot storyboard. Shot selection, location descriptions, mood, all done. Now follow the rule. First set your avatar. Upload a reference photo of your talent. Lock it. Next generate the locations. Rain-soaked street, rooftop city skyline, neon alley. Lock each one. Now generate all 6 shots. Because the character and every location are locked, the face looks identical across every single frame. Rain walk, rooftop, jump, neon walk, product hero. 6 shots, consistent characters, 0 retakes. That's the system. Switch to the Scenes tab, drag each clip into order on the timeline. Rain walk opens, rooftop shot builds tension, jump cuts the energy, neon alley closes dark and cinematic. Product shot lands last, your sneaker front and center. Hit play. 6 clips, consistent lighting, same character in every frame, a finished ad in under 10 minutes. No crew, no location permits, no post production budget. The Tools tab is where the pros separate from everyone else. Scene Explorer, type any location, pick your camera angles, get 3 cinematic renders of the exact same place instantly. Style Switcher, turn any clip into noir, film, golden hour, or any visual style with one click. And here's the real unlock. You can build custom tools. Any repeatable task becomes a one-click button in your account. The people who learn this workflow today are going to outproduce every traditional agency for a fraction of the cost. Google published the official prompting guide for Gemini Omni. 5 building blocks that make every output cinematic. Short framing and motion, visual style, lighting, language, location, and action. Here's the move. Copy the guide URL, paste it into Claude. Tell Claude, from now on, whenever I ask for an Omni optimized prompt, use this guide structure. Save it as a Claude skill. Now, every single prompt Claude writes for you is automatically engineered for Omni. Test it, ask for a twinkle twinkle little star visualization. Cloud writes you a fully structured cinematic prompt with framing, lighting, and camera moves. Paste it into Gemini. The quality difference is immediate. That's Google Flow in 8 minutes. The people who start building today will be a year ahead of everyone who waits. Open labs.google/flow tonight. Follow the rule, build one 30-second clip. The gap is already opening, start now.